Hi everybody, Greg Davis here at MarineMax. Wanted to give you a walkthrough of a new brokerage 17 Montauk from Boston Whaler I just received. This is a 2022 super low hours 115 Mercury Bimini. Has a full rail package, Livewell, aft seating. Comes with a very nice galvanized trailer with a spare. This one has the fishing package, includes the front rod holder, front cushion, compass. They have Fusion stereo installed. They went with a Garmin on this one. This is a 942 SV, a little nicer upgrade. J&L speaker package. Boat's in great shape, ready to hit the water for this summer. If you have any questions about this model or any boat that we have here on our lot, please feel free to give me a call, 912-398-8134. Thank you very much.